Hi guys! Today gagawa tayo ng binagoongan. And today, I'm wearing also kabagi shirts. Soon, mag-celebrate sila ng 22 years anniversary. Happy anniversary guys! Thank you sa mga shirts! Ang gaganda, di ba? So, sa lahat ng mga gusto magpagawa ng shirts, jersey, uniform, dalawa silang gumagawa sa kabagis. You can contact my very own kababayan, Alvin, Bong, Buluran, and a very good friend, kuya of mine, Kuya Chris Molina. You can PM them in their FB account. And sa ngayon, gawa muna tayo ng binagoongan na makakain na tayo. Let's go!
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you were. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be there. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all these times, I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the light of snow disappears. Love it till the rainy days becomes clear. Never knew a love like this. Now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now